Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Diagnostic policy service high RAM usage. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my video to understand better what I say. And first of all, if you're wondering what happened to my two previous videos, you may ask what videos. I'm talking about the how to download Adobe Premiere Pro and how to download Adobe After Effects. If you want to know what happened to those two videos, if you go to my channel and then in the discussion section, I will leave a link in the description to go straight up there without going there manually. You will see that I have written like a story to what happened to those two videos. So long story short, what happened, the how to download Adobe Premiere Pro has been taken down by Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I deleted the other video how to download Adobe After Effects because if I left that video public for more than a day, Adobe Systems Incorporated would have found that video and it would have taken that video down. And if they had taken down that video, my channel wouldn't be here at the moment. You may ask, it wouldn't be here at the moment. What do you mean? So 2 months ago I uploaded this video right here, how to download Photoshop CC 2019, and after 2 days Adobe Systems Incorporated took down that video for copyright content, and they gave me a copyright strike on my channel. And if you're a video creator like me, you already know that if you get 3 copyright strikes on your channel gets terminated or gets deleted. And that here was my first copyright strike on my channel. And after that, the second copyright strike was the Adobe Premiere Pro. And if I had left the Adobe After Effects video for more than a day, that would have been my third copyright strike, and my channel would have been terminated, and I wouldn't be here at the moment. And yeah, I suggest you going to here to read the whole thing. And let's get straight to the video. I'm sorry if that intro was really long, but I wanted to let you know what happened to those videos. I didn't want to make a totally whole different video because I didn't actually want to. And yeah, if I go right now to the task manager and go to the service right here, Diagnostic Policy Service, you will see right now that it's using 25 megabytes, but when I did my field recordings, it was using 1.5 gigabytes every 15 or 20 seconds, which was really annoying for me, and it was lacking the whole laptop. If you see that this service is using more than 1.5 gigabytes, disable that service right now, because if you're gaming, this service could actually use a lot of RAM and lag your whole laptop. This video is specifically for laptop. I forgot to say it in the intro. It's not actually for computers. I do not actually know if the service in the computer uses that much RAM, but in laptops it totally uses that much RAM. So right now we're gonna go disable it. To disable it, it's really simple. Go to the start, right click and click run. You can do the same thing on your keyboard and click. You're gonna hit Windows key and R and type there services.msc. Then click OK or hit enter, and it's gonna load up right here. I'm gonna find the sending, and I'm gonna be in a little bit. And as you can see, this is the service right here, Diagnostic Policy Service. And if you read the description, it says the Diagnostic Policy Service enables problem detection, troubleshooting, and resolution for Windows components. If the service is stopped, diagnostics will no longer function. I do not know how much important this service is, but if you really care about your laptop, I recommend you leaving this service enabled. So to disable that setting, double click or right click and go to properties, and first of all click stop to stop the service. This is not going to take a lot. And then change the startup type to disabled, so Windows can't start the service again. And then click apply and OK. And if we go back to task manager, you will see that the service is not here anymore. And yeah, that's everything. That's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.